It's definitely not an obvious but a very easy answer, that p-value is the single most important thing in statistics which every data scientist must know in depth. Because once you know p-value, you can understand every form of regression. You can understand classification like logistic regression. You can understand A/B testing. You can understand hypothesis testing. You can understand any kind of inferential statistics. So you can understand the usefulness of p-value. Once you know p-value, you have mastery over these topics in data science and statistical learning. Now, where to read p-value from? You might say that go over Wikipedia, get hold of your research papers, but I would say get hold of a good textbook on statistics and try to read about statistical distributions. And when you read statistical distributions, then you can go towards what is hypothesis testing, and then you will be introduced to p-value. And then when you go to regressions, simple regression or multiple regression or A/B testing or hypothesis testing, you will know how to use your p-value knowledge. And definitely you can think of referring to any online resource in the beginning stage, but I would say that do not try to find shortcuts to learn about p-value. Try to find a good textbook on statistics. Now, I do not have a favorite statistics book because I studied in ISI and our professor was a really exceptional professor in statistics. And the way he taught, I do not need to refer to a textbook to understand p-value. Now I can just go online, and whenever I'm stuck at some kind of a concept related to p-value, because p-value is huge. So whenever I'm stuck at a few minor conceptual understanding of p-value, I can just go up to the internet and ask those particular questions. But you must have your basic grounding done on statistics of p-value. So that is something which will separate you and make you apart from the crowd of data scientists who do not know much statistics. Because my focus in data science is always to learn the statistics behind the models first. Because your computer will definitely run a lot of programs, run a lot of models on its own, but you need to interpret those model results. You need to understand which inputs to give to your model, and that only statistics can help you with. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to catch more videos on data science, economics and finance, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already.